If you're looking to upgrade your home lighting, this is definitely a light I would look at. This is the Bailey Street Home Linear Chandelier. It is in a light steel gray ash finish, and it is considered in a transitional lighting style, which I really like. One of the things that I really like about this light is that it comes with multiple different rods, so you can really adjust the height any which way that you would like. The light itself, I feel, really works well in any situation in your home. It really kind of mixes that traditional and modern look with a very steel, almost like textured metal at the bottom, and then the painted. It is a painted metal piece at the top, so you don't have to worry about any upkeep of any wood or anything. It is more of like a painted metal. But overall, I think this is a really beautiful light. I've actually seen it in multiple houses, and it is one of my favorite lights in my house.